Boy, y'all, I'm sweating. I'm gonna pour this in my hand because this seasoning could be a lot. That thing could be salty sometimes. Believe me, it's got salt and pepper. Let's go crazy with this. Oh, we working on the inside, y'all. Sorry. Let me get this done. Inside. Rub-a-da-da. Don't y'all ever do a turkey like this. This is the ghetto part of the turkey. This the ghetto. Up in here, look like we doing a little, we like less than the turkey kind of. Yeah, it's gonna do what it do. I don't know why this gotta be seasoned, but alright, y'all, I'm going with the middle. I don't have a screen to tie this. It's so damn big. This shit is huge. For no reason. 22 pounds. Shit. Look. At least we know it's a real turkey. I cleaned it though. That much seasoning. That much seasoning.